Hello guys, you're welcome again to another After Effects tutorials. Today I want to show you how you can create a quick 3D animation right inside Adobe After Effects without the use of any third plugin like this one. So support me on this one. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, turn on the notification, then come back. Let's get started. Now inside Adobe After Effects, we're going to create a new composition. Feel free to use your own settings, then you hit OK. Now we're going to import our logo. Navigate to where you have your logo. Drag and drop it into the project manager window. Then make sure you set it to footage. Then you hit OK. Drag and drop it into the timeline. Then Ctrl+Shift+C to pre-compose this one. We can name this logo holder. Then move all attribute to the new composition and then hit OK. Now we're going to add the effect called shatter. Do not panic with what you see on your screen. So what you're going to do now on this, change the view to rendered, and we're going to expand the shape layer, then set the pattern to custom. Then on this custom shatter map, we're going to select the logo holder composition, and then you're going to see the logo like this. So we're going to scroll down to camera position. So we're going to rotate the Y position. That way we can see the side of our logo. As you can see, it's already 3D, but we're going to increase the extrusion depth to 1.5. Now, if you scrub through your timeline, you see that everything is falling apart, and that is not what we want. To prevent that, expand the first one. We're going to zero out all these parameters you see right here. Now, we're going to expand the texture, go to side mode and change that to color. Pick any color from here. Then we'll go into it and set it to darker version. So we're going to go to lighting and make some changes also on lighting so that we can see our bevel right here. That is the extruded sides. Then we're going to go to lighting right here and change the light type to first comp light. That is going to darken the whole place. Then we're going to change the ambient light to 1.2. To animate this quickly, you can just animate the Y rotation, set a keyframe, set your parameters to whatever number you like, go to the end of the composition. Or I'm going to set this to 5 seconds, hit N to trim that the comp size. Then here, I'm going to change the value for this to 359. Now, if you preview, you have a quick logo animation in 3D right inside Adobe After Effects without the use of any third-party plugin. If you learned something new on this video, please hit the like button. That will enable the algorithm to suggest this to more people. If you have any question, please feel free to ask me in the comment section, and I'll reply to all questions as quick as I can. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can support me in any way. You can give me super thanks, subscribe to my membership, whatever way you want to support me with. Even if you share the video, that is also a huge support and it is highly appreciated. If you like the video, leaving a comment is all a support. So in whatever way you are able to support me, I highly appreciate you. So until I see you again on the next one, my name is SSB Otaru from MotionDigit Studios.